Hello, my name is Siska Lestari. Here I will present scientific papers entitled E-commerce Opportunities as a Business Medium in the Digital Era. Introduction. A person, group, or organization that runs a number of businesses with the aim of making the greatest possible profit by providing goods or services to consumers is said to be in business. In other words, to keep their products good and competitive, business people must be able to maximize profits. Technology has advanced tremendously in the last few decades, not just a year or two in the digital age, but now up to a second every day. Nowadays, there are so many technological advances that we can hardly keep up with because of the rapid development of technology. In today's digital era, business people carry out their business activities using e-commerce. They can simultaneously promote, improve, and use customer feedback about the marketability of their products to increase business opportunities. The flexibility of e-commerce will make it easier to address any problem that arises in the company's operation, allowing profit to be increased as much as possible. Methods. Data collection methods used by researchers are secondary data collection method. Secondary data is information that researchers have gleaned or compiled from different existing sources or researchers as second-hand. The central BPS, books, publications, journals, and other sources are just a few places where secondary data can be found. Secondary data is information that has been gleaned from the item or study topic in an indirect manner. Through reputable social media platforms, data is gathered whose outcomes are processed. Results. E-commerce is the practice of conducting business using electronic means, with the primary means of communication between the parties being the internet. E-commerce is also described by Winston as a comprehensive and dynamic asset of technology, application, business information, and process that links business, consumers, and communities or specific sellers and buyers through electronic transactions and merchants of goods, services, and information that are carried out electronically. E-commerce has two kinds of categories, including business to business and to customer business. In business to business, this is usually a transaction through the internet that is carried out by two or more companies. Example of how business to business work are trading partners, or what we usually call business partners or trading partners, with the existence of these business partners. Each of these business partners will share information with each other. Usually, these business partners already have a long-standing relationship with each other. The information that is exchanged with fellow partners is because they already know the communication partners with each other. The data is compiled and provided according to the needs and beliefs of each. The 16 highest countries with the longest time using the application in a number of countries in the world in 2021. In its latest report, App Annie cites internet users in Indonesia spend 5.3 hours of time using application on their cell phones. According to App Annie, the duration is up 35% from the second quarter of 2019. Indonesia is in second place after Brazil, where the average internet user there spends 5.4 hours using application via smartphones. This figure is up 30% from the same period in 2019. Of all the countries surveyed, only Indonesia and Brazil have a translation application usage duration of up to 5 hours. Meanwhile, Russia and Turkey were the countries that experienced sharp spikes in the duration of application usage. This increase was largely driven by the COVID-19 pandemic, which made most of the world's population a lot of activities digitally. This increase has an impact on the total global application spending, which reached $34 billion. Not only far from China, the share of Southeast Asia's e-commerce market compared to its total retail market is also still the lowest in the world. So, the traditional retail market in this regional area is still very dominant. However, this percentage actually shows the huge opportunity for the e-commerce market in this region, especially in Indonesia. Indonesia accounts for nearly half of Southeast Asia's e-commerce market. E-market estimates that the Indonesian e-commerce market up for 15% compared to last year. Indonesia's e-commerce market is large because of its population. E-commerce income in Asia Pacific for the last 5 years. From the statistic above, we can conclude that every year sales revenue for sales in Asia Pacific has experienced a significant increase. You can see the data from the figure on the sides. Indonesia itself is also one of the largest internet user countries in the world, where in 2021 there will be no less than 171,260,000 people as internet users, ranking fourth in the world. This proves that Indonesian people are increasingly aware of the need for technological developments in their daily activities. Discussion. Based on the discussion, it can be concluded that the opportunity for the internet as a business medium is very large. Indonesia has created a change. This means that the internet can be used as a medium to disseminate business, product, and all of their attributes. In this way, the product marketing and development of the business can be achieved with its ability to reach a wider market. This opportunity is shown by several findings as follows. 1. Indonesia is one of the largest internet users in the world, which every year the number of internet users in Indonesia experiences a significant increase. 2. Indonesia is one of the highest income earners in Asia from e-commerce, which has experienced a significant increase every year. 3. Indonesia is one of the largest online shopping application users in the world every minute, which experiencing a significant increase every year. 4. An income in Asia Pacific from e-commerce every year has experienced a significant increase. 5. If it refers to the existing strategies and statistical tables, then the Indonesian people who want to do business using e-commerce can do their business well and get the maximum profit. And thank you.